Here I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox mobile chat glitch problem. For first, go to your setting phones and then here choose app management. Wait for a moment. Here choose Roblox. Okay, here you can see permissions. Give all permission in this application. I've done. Now you have to give all permission, and then here in storage used clear that and clear charge. Clear. If you have clear that and charge, you can get out from Roblox and go to your Google Play Store. Okay, in the Google Play Store, if you haven't been update your Roblox, you can update. In the searching, you look for Roblox and update. So here I have done, right? For next step, you can get it from Google Play Store and then turn off your phone to make refresh to your phone, and then you turn on again your phone and you can try your Roblox again. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.